In this video, we will learn how to summarize value in pivot table. So let's start this my Excel sheet. I have here huge data. So I'm going to insert the pivot table in this data. So first select your full data, press the Ctrl plus A. I select here full data and then go to the insert tab, click on the pivot table option, click on the from table or range. Here range is automatically selected. Then click the new worksheet and click on OK. Now here I'm going to create the pivot table. Location I selected, then I select the profit, then I selected product ID. Okay, that's it. And here I'm convert this tabular form data. Then go to the design, click on the report layout, click on the show in tabular form. Here I want location in the repeat, so just select the report layout again and repeat all item labels. That's it. Here you see data is showing tabular form. Now we will see how to summarize data in different value. So I just select the first column of profit, then right click of the mouse and click the summarize value by different way. If I click on the count, the value is summarized in count. See here count of profit. Then I right click again, summarize value by average. Then here see all profit summarize in average. Here you see also mention average of profit. Again I right click summarize value by maximum value. Here you see only maximum value summarize. Again I right click summarize value by more option. When I click on the more option and I want the percentage amount, then here you can select the show value as. So here show value as no calculation. I select here the percentage. You can select the as percentage of the grand total, percentage of the column, percentage of parent row total, those you want. You can select the different option here available. Percentage of the running total in, so select rank the smallest largest. I just select a percentage of the running total and click on the OK. That's it. Here you see different way you can summarize the amount value in pivot table by using option summarize value in different function. So this is a way you can summarize your value in different way in pivot table. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.